The installation process is pretty simple. First, you need to make sure how much tube you will be using by simply measuring how much you want to use. Once that's done, you can start by cutting the tube on each plant so that we can install the drippers. Now we can begin to install the drippers to the tube. Depending what type of plants you have and you want to water, you can either use the dripper tees or the nozzle tee. In this case, I'm going to be using the dripper tees. So you will need to put the dripper tees on each end of the tube that we just got done cutting, and then cut 1.5 or 2 inches of the tube and put it on top of the tees so that we can install the drippers on top. And you want to do this step for all the remaining drippers. Next, you want to put the ground inserters so that the tube and drippers stay into place and don't move. Once that's done, you can begin to install the white quick connector to the tube, and then just connect the hose to the white quick connector and add the other quick connector by simply connecting the tube, and make sure it is secure to avoid any leaking when watering the plants.